If I type here, can I get approval for lyrics site? And here you will find the top ranked sites giving their views on AdSense approval. The first site says that you must own copyright of the lyrics, and then it says that you must have permission. If not, you cannot get approval. The next one from Quora, it says yes, you can, unless you own the copyrights to the lyrics or have specific permission from the copyright holder. If you can move little down, this site says yes, you can get approval. Well, the next one says yes, you can get approval. Then he goes on with your content should be like this or it should be like that and blah blah blah. Welcome to my channel, The Blogger. Very informative videos. Watch my last two videos on W3 Total Catch plugin and free unlimited organic traffic. Very important this video is, so keep watching how to generate unlimited traffic. Now I will show you in Google Search Console the traffic details. The traffic is growing gradually, little by little. Now I will show you the site that is approved by AdSense. This is the site. Wait a minute, the ads will appear soon. And have a look at the site until the ad appears. Well, here you can see the ads from AdSense. And if I click on the link, you can also see the ads. You can see the lyrics of the songs. Nothing much to describe on that. And here there is another ad. Well, let me take you again to Google Search Console to show you what or which keywords or songs are ranking so far. Have a look. See the views 17 and impressions only 62. Now I will show you where is the site ranking. Let me type in there. Go little down, and here have a look. Ranking on the first page. Great achievement indeed. Now I will show you the most important email, the approval email from Google AdSense. Here, and see when it was received. Check the date. Well, that's it. Now I will share all my top secrets to you, provided I get 300 comments and likes for this video. And the next target or the requirement, subscribe my channel. The moment this channel reaches to 11,000 subscribers, I will share each and every detail how to get approval for lyrics site. Very important, my friends. Just write your comments below and ask me your questions, and I will select the top 10 questions and give the information that is being asked in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Good luck to you guys out there for your blogging future. Until I see you again with more and more top quality videos. You take care and bye-bye. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment below so that I make a good video for you regarding how to get lyrics sites approved. Once again, take care and bye-bye.